how to access and edit your contact list on your Wix website. Today in this video, we will be taking a look at accessing and editing your contacts list on your Wix website. So the reason you have a contacts list is so that you can keep track of all your customers and clients or anyone else who is interacting with your website. Every time someone submits a form, subscribes to your newsletter, makes a purchase from your store, or interacts with your site in another way, they are automatically added to your contact list with the information and personal details they have provided. There are many ways to add contacts to your site. You can import them from Gmail by going to your contact list, click the More Actions drop-down and select the Import Contacts button. Click Connect under a Gmail account if you're not already signed in. Click Allow, then Import, and finally you have created a mailing list by importing your contacts directly from Gmail with just a few clicks. I should mention that you can also do this by uploading a CSV file. You can manually import a CSV file with contacts exported from an external mail host such as Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or Outlook. Just a side note, you can have a maximum of 200,000 contacts in total per site, and each contact must contain at least a phone number, email, or address to be imported. To upload a CSV file, go to your contacts list, click the More Actions drop-down and select Import Contacts. Click Got It and select CSV file, then click Upload. Browse for this file on your computer and click Open when selected. It is optional to set contacts as subscribers at this checkbox. Click Import and match the field names with the ones on Wix and click Import to finish. We can also manually create contacts by going to the Add New Contact button on the contact list page, fill out the contact details and click Save. On that note, you can view and manage all of your contacts here on your contacts list page. From your dashboard, go to the Contacts and CRM tab on the left of the screen and select Contact List. If you click on the contact panel will open on the right of the page. In here you can see additional details and information about the contact, such as what products they have bought or what services they have booked. You can also add tasks and notes that can be seen by you and any other contributors on your website. You also have an inbox on the panel, and this enables you to communicate with the contact. At the top of the panel, there is a Quick Actions button, which allows you to create an invoice or a price quote. You can open the contact panel from other places in your site as well, for example, the Inbox tab. To edit a contact, go to the contact list, select the contact you would like to edit, and click Edit on the contact panel. This is useful if a contact changes their email address or their phone number. Edit the relevant details and click Save. For more information on Wix.com, check out the ProfileTree YouTube channel where you can find more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.